Good morning, children. It's good to see you. And this morning, before we start learning, we need to do some things to switch on our brains. So the first activity that we're going to do is we're going to get our eyes in focus. So first you're going to do, take your finger and put it on your nose, and then halfway, look at your thumb far away, and then look away, and then rub your hands together. You're going to do it again. On your nose, halfway, far away, look away, and rub your hands together. The last time, on your nose, halfway, far away, look away, and rub your hands. The next one is that we're going to put our sunglasses on. Imagine putting on a large piece of a pair of sunglasses. Let's put your finger on your nose and then halfway. And now we're going to follow our thumb up, 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 round, 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 cross over your nose, round, round, round. Again, that's number one. Let's do it again. Follow your thumb, down, 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 up over your nose, round to make your second sunglasses. And let's try it the last time. Up, round and round and round, cross over your eye to make your third sunglasses. Now just close your eyes and blink them a bit, and now your eyes are all switched on. Now the next thing that we want to do is switch on our brain. If you have a look at your shoulder, just underneath here, you will find there is a hollow. I want you to take your finger, your pointer finger, put it in there, and you're going to rub it 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now do it on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now breathe in. Arms up and out. And now we're going to switch on our ears. Turn your ear this way, and I want you to take your finger, and I want you to roll out this piece of cartilage. Roll it out. Go slowly all the way until the lobe of your ear. Turn your other ear. Do the same thing. And then take your little hand, your fingers, and then I want you to tap them round your ears. 1, 2, and 3 sides. And now we have our brain is switched on, our eyes are switched on, and our ears are switched on. And now we are ready to concentrate and listen to what the teacher is going to say to you.